The first step is to open the key fob case. Most 2022 Subaru models use a two-piece plastic case held together by clips. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam near the key ring. Gently pry the two halves apart, working your way around the case. Some models, like the Ascent, might have a small screw on the back. Remove this first. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the clips or the case itself. Once open, you'll see the battery and circuit board inside. Now that the case is open, you can replace the battery. The 2022 Subaru key fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Note the orientation of the old battery, usually with the positive plus side facing up. Use the flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently pop the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Ensure it's securely in place. Reassemble the key fob by snapping the two halves of the case back together. If there was a screw, replace it. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to ensure it unlocks the car.